Are you looking for the best compost tumblers? In this video we will look at some of the best compost tumblers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FCMP Outdoor M4000. The FCMP Outdoor M4000 is a highly efficient and user-friendly composting solution. Made in Canada from 100% post-consumer recycled plastic, this composting system is not only environmentally friendly but also designed for convenience and effectiveness. One of the standout features of the FCMP Outdoor M4000 is its unique tumbling design. This design eliminates the need for manual digging and mixing of the compost pile, making the process much easier and more efficient. By simply closing the door and turning it 5 to 6 times every 2 to 3 days, the compost ingredients are thoroughly mixed. This design promotes proper aeration and speeds up the decomposition process. Number 2. VIVOSUN Outdoor Tumbling Composter. The VIVOSUN Outdoor Tumbling Composter offers a convenient and efficient way to compost organic waste. Featuring twin chambers and a 360 tumbling design, this composter streamlines the composting process and produces nutrient-rich compost. Designed with 2 separate chambers, the VIVOSUN Outdoor Tumbling Composter allows for continuous composting. While one side is actively composting, the other side remains available for adding fresh waste. This constant alternation ensures an uninterrupted stream of compost production and improves efficiency. Number 3. Miracle-Gro Small Composter. The Miracle-Gro Small Composter is the perfect solution for composting in tight spaces. Designed to fit even the smallest areas, this outdoor compost bin tumbler allows users to compost anywhere, be it a balcony, porch, patio, or rooftop garden. With the Miracle-Gro Small Composter, you can transform your kitchen and garden waste into nutrient-rich compost, often referred to as the gardener's black gold. Thanks to Miracle-Gro's unique aeration system and internal mixing bars, the composting process is accelerated, and ready-to-use compost can be obtained in just 4 to 6 weeks. This makes it easier than ever to grow a happy garden and reap the benefits of rich, fertile compost. Number 4. Garden Compost Bin from BPA-Free Material. The Garden Compost Bin is a versatile composting solution crafted from BPA-free material. Designed with dual chambers, this compost bin enables continuous composting while offering other convenient features to enhance the composting process. The Garden Compost Bin's dual chamber design allows for a continuous composting cycle. While one chamber is being filled with fresh organic waste, the other chamber is nearing the end of the composting process, resulting in rich, ready-to-use compost. Once emptied, the filled chamber becomes the active composting chamber while the process continues seamlessly. This dual chamber setup maximizes efficiency and provides a consistent supply of nutrient-rich compost.